We're at IKEA. We're just vibing. And then we're gonna go to round 1 today. And we have a rave tonight. So we're doing a lot of things today. We're IRL streaming IKEA. We'll see how it goes with the work. So this is my fit for today. I'm very like comfy today. All black. Is this what the size of a dorm looks like? It's so small. They got these squids. Do they bend? No, they don't bend. Oh my god. That's how my forehead be looking sometimes, I'm not gonna lie. Wait, it's literally just like a picture.
Yeah.
Oh, and they got these like little fake plants. Cute.
Oh yeah, actually, this is very encoded. This is definitely home.
Oh yeah.
Oh, because of the your puppy.
So many animals.
This is a nice bookshelf. I could fit a lot of anime waifus on it. Damn, they got so many chairs. So many. Wait. I got this big shark. I have like random plushies everywhere here. More plushies. This looks like, oh, it is from Harry Potter. I was gonna say it looks like the little owl from Harry Potter. It is. It's Hedwig. I think that's his name. Simulated patio. Yeah, that's not real. More plushies. This one looks like a golden retriever. I thought it was a capybara at first. It's a little golden. A little puppy. These are really soft. I actually really like these plushies a lot. Why are they like stuck in a prison? They're all like,
that's awful.
they're all like mushed in there.
You
Release
them.
them. Release them.
Head like kind of just like pop back.
Yeah.
You want it out. Nah, you get crushed.
I like this, but I also feel like it's kind of small.
They gotta worry about minders.
The whole kitchen in here. Damn, fridge be costing like that much money. I don't see these kinds of washers in America a lot. These are like the ones I see when I went to Japan. The really small ones.
Oh.
Bitches.
We're both wearing dark today. Because usually you're wearing like.
I'm usually wearing pink, but I'm not this time. I just realized your Gloomy Bear is blue. I've never seen a blue one. Oh my god, the gang's all here. They got this octopus, the polar bear, the dog, and the turtle. The dog. Everything in IKEA has like a real person name. Like, why is it called Billy? Like, I just be seeing names everywhere. It's low-key like a little like, yeah, apartment. Kind of gives like a little cafe, cozy vibes.
You know, I can
All
never.
of whimsical and
I
stuff.
like bust my head on this like every time.
This is like children's
This is like a really nice kitchen. This is more of like a full kitchen that they have here. Dining table. They have like a whole coffee shop setup. This is cute. You can literally go to IKEA and have your whole like shop furnishing done. It's kind of crazy. All these chairs, but no racing gamer chair. These honestly are probably like so much comfier to use than a gaming chair. Yo, they have a gaming setup and it's low-key like they got the aliens. Oh, he's so cute. I want him. They got the little aliens. This is a really cool setup. It's like for people who really love like music. They have like a record player.
The record player in the back is.
A bunch of records. This is sick. It's like very colorful. They got so many plushies. They got panda bears. They're so soft. Mama bear and baby bear. And then they got monkey. Yeah, he's just staring.
Butterflies.
I'm so scared. I hope I don't break it.
Wow. What a majestic scenery. It's like a...
I'm taking a nap while y'all are shopping. Oh, I like this one. You can like put your snacks and hide them in there.
Remember what I was telling you about noodling? How people catch catfish?
What?
Well, yeah, so there's a technique where there are a lot of catfish that can like dig into like a lot of these like little mud pockets.
Yeah.
And they're just like holes for them to breathe in. So people take their arms and just stick it down there. And the catfish will think it's food and try to eat your arm
you just
like
pull
this.
them out.
So you just pull them out.
What the heck?
That's
You just shove your fist in their mouth.
Yeah.
Yo, they got the aliens. Oh my god, I want one so bad.
We're warping
Oh,
on
they're
them.
so cute.
We're gleeping. Probably not that much. Just call it. Put it in your car.
They got the cute little openings. Oh, this is a cat. Cat astronaut. And then bunny astronaut. They got the alien in the ship. Oh my god, this is actually so cool. He's just like in the ship. They got the baby otter. Otters hold hands when they're swimming in the water. They're so cute. I don't know if this is cute or like cursed. They're like conjoined.
Yo, guys, look.
Do you cut them or are they just?
Wait, guys.
They're all conjoined together. Chad, they got the famous Swedish like meatballs I have never had. I'm excited. We're gonna try some food. Got food here. I think I'm gonna get the meatballs. Maybe the mac and cheese too. I got the kids meal for the Swedish meatballs, mac and cheese, chocolate cake, and the lingonberry drink. So yeah, it looks good. I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna try out the meatball for the first time. They're okay. They're good.
There you go. I'll just do that. I'm gonna get one.
Okay. What is this? Is it like jam or something?
It's a Swedish meatball. Oh, that's cranberry.
Cranberry jam?
Mm-hmm. It's good.
Tell me how much it's worth.
Oh, Papa.
I'm gonna try the mac and cheese. Mac and cheese looks pretty like basic, but
Okay.
it's good.
I've never had these before. These are actually pretty good.
I will say the mac and cheese, like it's creamy and good, but I'm more of like a Cajun kind of spicy mac and cheese, like seasoning.
Oh, like you put like what, like chilies in there?
I put like cayenne and like, I like a Cajun mac, but it's good. The food is good, so I'm happy.
Oh, man.
Alright, the damage has been done. We chowed. We did like this in literally 10 minutes, not even joking. We made it to round 1. I reloaded my card. The boba plushie, that's me IRL. This is so cute. Oh my god, they have Nami. Wait, she's so cute. I cosplayed her earlier this year. They have Sanji. Oh, they have a Chopper one. Oh my god, I want a Chopper plushie. They have a capybara on a banana. I don't know what this character is, if it's like a Sanrio character. And then they have Chikawa. Chikawa. I want Chikawa. Oh, they have Pokemon plushies. I want the Eevee Loki. It didn't even touch it. It barely touched it. Don't ask me how much I spent. I think I literally spent almost all of my points on getting eBay, but I'm really happy I did because it's the only plushie that I really want. Like, I have a lot of like the Sanrio plushies and the Rilakumas, but I'm really happy I got her. I was getting scared because I was like, I spent so much. Like, I spent almost 50 on her, which I don't know if it's worth it. So I have her though, so. Oh, these avocados are so cute. I low-key want one, but I don't know if I want to spend 14 credits for each play. They're so cute though. And they have boba. This looks, I would feel like this is like brown sugar or maybe oolong tea, milk tea. They have the old school games here. It says it's a time play. The unlimited plays with the green swipers. Okay, so I just walked out of round 1 and I'm getting the EP. So I need to find like coffee or boba or something, like maybe even a Red Bull. So I'm on the hunt to get some coffee or something. Yeah, got boba. I could have gone coffee, but I just was like, oh, there's boba right here. So I got boba.
Oh my.
So after our day at IKEA and round 1, we went to this techno warehouse rave and got to see one of my favorite techno DJs, Amelie Lenz. She had an amazing set, and the venue was a venue that I had never been to before, but I really liked it. It was brand new. It's called AI Warehouse, and they have like a whole outdoors area and just super cool like warehouse vibes that I really liked. So yeah, that was my day and I had a lot of fun. Thanks for watching.